Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be taking my Jeep Liberty up Gold Hill. It's up in the Uintas. It's another way you can get over the hill to Whitney Reservoir. You start by Mirror Lake Highway and you end up over by Moffett Pass, which I think would be a very fun road to combine with this one. So stay tuned for that video. But I'm going to go up over Gold Hill Pass and I'll show you what it's like. Let's get going. Alright guys, I just pulled off on a little side road here on Gold Hill, but this is why you need to keep your eye out when you're off-roading up here in the Uintas, because you never know what you might stumble across. This is a beautiful lake just off the road. It's a rough little road, but really beautiful lake down here. Yeah. But as you can see, beautiful lake here, and just came down this little road right here. Yeah, rough little road to get down here, but leads over to this beautiful lake. right there, I just took a little side road off Gold Hill, and this little road is called, it's Mill City Creek. It's following, I think is what it is. It's just a little road that goes off Gold Hill that leads to an ATV trail, but it follows the creek here, and as you can see out the side, there it is out there. We're just driving along this road following the creek here. I'm probably gonna follow this for a bit before I decide to turn around and just excuse me, but I'm just gonna follow this for a bit until I decide I want to turn around due to time, or at the end where it turns it into an ATV trail. But yeah, nice little side road. This road hasn't been too rough, so yeah. So I turned off onto another little side road here just over the top of Gold Hill Peak, or pass, just over the top of the pass here. Turned off on another little side road that goes down to this little lake, so I'm gonna go find the little lake here and drive down to it and show you it. But yeah, this is just a little side road I turned around. It's much smaller than Gold Hill, but yeah, we're just gonna wind our way through the trees over to where the lake is. Should be up here on the right, I think, somewhere. So we're gonna go find that little lake. Man, it's gorgeous up here though, man. It's really beautiful out here. There it is through the trees. So as you can see, this little lake loops around here, but yeah, the road continues along the lake. I don't think I'm gonna go along the lake right now, but yeah, we're here at this little lake you can stop at on the way. Alright guys, that's the end of today's video. I'm going to end it right here at the end of Gold Hill Pass Road, right at the beginning of Moffett Pass Road actually. This took me about 2 hours-ish to complete, So if you do the same stops as I do, or if you don't do them, you might be a little faster or a little longer, depends on what you do. There's plenty more side roads up there I didn't go down. But I'd suggest this is probably a very fun one to pair with a day trip to Whitney Reservoir, which we're right by right now. You end right by Whitney Reservoir, or maybe even a day trip going up over Moffett Pass too. But yeah, this was a really fun road to drive, and I'll see you guys in the next video.